Here's a demo of utilityGPT. It's an AI Copilot made specifically for utilities. We're starting with the general rate case, which is a regulatory process that all utilities go through. The process ensures a fair and reasonable rate to the customer and makes sure utilities can cover their costs. In fact, it's one of the most important activities conducted by a utility because they earn a rate of return off of their rate base. And this is a big opportunity. With rate case requests up 14% from last year, utilities are asking for more to improve their infrastructure and reliability. Right now, the rate case takes about 10 months and is organizationally exhausting with hundreds of authors at times. There's more public attention on it, and it's a decentralized process that can quickly become overwhelming. So here's how AI can get better rate case outcomes, lower cost of research, and increase consistency. We have three main features we'll go through in the demo. First up, our enhanced knowledge base. Right now, there's hundreds of documentation that goes into the rate case. These are PDF documents that are hundreds of pages at times. Our AI knowledge base looks at all those documents, provides a sentiment analysis and a summary so users can consume this data much more efficiently. Next up, smart research. This is ChatGPT on top of your specific data. We can ask it questions, get responses with references. In this example here, we're asking how much did the state reduce the rate case and why? And using AI specifically targeted to our document library, we can get specific results. Lastly, Smart Compose. When the state has questions, a utility has 10 days to respond, and sometimes they get 2,000 or more questions. So with our Smart Compose feature, we're able to search through the document repository with testimony, looking at long-term plans, and provide draft responses for the authors. This ensures a clearer and more consistent narrative across different authors to these DR requests, and overall just gets a better quality response. One nice feature we have are references. This shows exactly how the AI came up with its answer, which increases the trust in the system, unlike general AI, where it's a black box for how it came up with a result. Here's a look at our architecture. We're using LangChain to build in a modular fashion so we can plug in and out components when necessary. For example, right now we're using OpenAI, but we're looking to bring an in-house model such as DALL-E and train that specifically on utility data. And finally, here's a view of what's under the hood. Using Databricks to run our agent, you can see the AI is coming up with its own actions and observations. It's showing its thoughts and then eventually producing a final result. And that's a look at utilityGPT. For more information or a demo, contact me at robert@datacafe.com.